Viewers, my name is Benson Kamau, the Bishop of JCM Churches and the Director of JCM TV. And today is a great day in the compassionate gospel, in the brotherhood of this life, and then the gospel of forgiveness. And today we are hosting Pretty Vichy and her manager, Samba, because of an issue that many would thought it will scramble or destroy things. But I thank God that after a great meeting that we had and a lunch together, we have decided that we will not do things the way they are normally done when it comes to solving issues. And as the bishop who preaches forgiveness and compassion, we've talked with Pretty and opened hearts. And from our discussion, we found that we also engage Pretty in our lives, in things that we do in our normal lives. She's a great woman, a cool one, and she's a forgiver. And we found that we go beyond the limits of what we do because Pretty is a great person in influencing. And of course, she can become a good ambassador of what people do in this life, and for her to earn and at least change how things are working in her life. And I want to take this opportunity to congratulate Vichy for the new juncture that she is beginning as tomorrow, the Thursday.